UK today. Most of us have already seen some rain as this afternoon, and all of the cloud and the rain is still making things feel pretty cold outside as well. This is the picture across Southampton at the moment. You can see the rain splattering on the camera here, and it's no wonder really when we take a look from space and see the great big thick mass of cloud swirling its way across us from the Atlantic as we speak. Believe it or not though, not all places are actually wet. Northern and eastern Scotland do look set to have a dry, if not somewhat cloudy afternoon, but the rain will push its way, I think, as far north as the Southern Highlands and across the central lowlands during the next few hours. It's also at the moment starting to move across the Pennines. Could well turn wintry here for a few hours across the highest ground, and as it heads into the North York Moors, risk of a spell of snow through the second half of today. For England and Wales in general though, it is the rain that we're concerned with, some heavy and persistent rain, and certainly despite temperatures a degree or so up on recent days, it is going to keep things feeling rather on the cool side outside. Getting increasingly mild though will be the southwest of England and Wales as the rain begins to clear through here towards the end of the afternoon, some milder air eventually pushing its way towards us. For Northern Ireland though, certainly a pretty chilly end to the day as the rain lingers on. It will though get on the move through this evening, sweeping its way eastwards across the UK. A wet rush hour though, I think, for southern and eastern areas. Skies clearing for northern Scotland overnight tonight, risk of a touch of frost here. Elsewhere though, a lot of cloud around, hill fog, misty and murky weather, but at least a mild night. The cloud thickening though all the while by dawn tomorrow from the west. Guess what that means? More rain on the way. So the southeast of England, East Anglia, northern England and Scotland, things at least should look dry to start the day. Maybe even a little bit of sunshine for the northeast of Scotland after those clear skies overnight. Make the most of it though. The cloud will already be in towards the west. It'll be a wet start to the day for Northern Ireland. The rain will linger on here as well, but also gradually edge its way further east as the hours go by. For Wales and the southwest, a wet day in the offing as well. Not just a wet day though, but an increasingly windy day too. A risk of gales across southern areas of the UK tomorrow. Maybe even a risk of severe gales for some exposed parts of the southwest of England. And that risk of strong winds will transfer its way further eastwards as our rain pushes its way eastwards through the day tomorrow as well. A windy day in general, in fact, across England and Wales. Looks like northern Scotland may stay clear of the rain though yet again. Some brighter spells potentially behind the main band too for England and Wales tomorrow.